This is not just my story. This is our story, our struggle, our fight. It's time for us to take a stand and advocate against the overwhelming pressure.
We present to you our advocacy, mind, mental integrity, not distress. Education should build us up, not break us down.
We can change this. We must change this. And together, we can.
Endless tasks feels lighter when we break them down. By managing our time, organizing our workload, we take control instead of being controlled by stress. A planner or a checklist can turn chaos into clarity.
Stress becomes heavier when the body is weak. Prioritizing sleep, eating balanced meal, and exercising regularly keeps both body and mind strong. A healthy lifestyle is the foundation of a stress-free student life.
No one should face the endless weight of pressure alone. Sharing worries with your family, friends, and counselor brings relief and a new perspective. A support system means that we're not alone, and together we can be stronger.
As a student, how does academic pressure affect students' motivation and learning?
Well, in my opinion, as a student myself, academic pressure affects me by hindering my will, my ability to actually learn from information and lessons. Also, it is a really troublesome problem for my mental and emotional state.
Students thrive when parents and teachers understand. Open communication and supportive guidance reduce anxiety and build resilience. When home and school work together, no student is left behind.
With the support of DepEd, program can be strengthened to ensure that education protects not only one's knowledge but also its well-being. Policies and care go hand in hand for a true progress.
Collapsing.